Hi everyone, today we want to make a video for YouTube or for Instagram, but today my target is YouTube. The first we copy or write our prompt in ChatGPT or Clouds. It's up to you, but I write in ChatGPT. If you want to use this prompt, I just write in first comment and I pin the comment in my channel. And then just write your prompt here and then enter. And in this situation, you receive 10 idea for YouTube. You can choose one of them, and also it has a character, setting, action, and dialogue 1 and dialogue 2, and it's for the A1 and A2 beginner English. So in this situation, you can choose one of the idea that we have. I just choose this one, the first one. You can choose every one that you have, and after that copy the one of the idea, just paste again and here and enter. So in this situation, we receive 10 prompt for 10 video like this. You can see this is the prompt for 10 prompt. And in this situation, the prompt is including character, setting, action, dialogue 1, dialogue 2. It's the character is female character and it's in bedroom. It say good morning, I'm wake up and something like this. I just copy this one, the first prompt, and then go to the Google Flow. This is a Google Flow. Just write Google Flow and then click. You just need to log in with your Gmail, and I log in before with my Gmail, and it's not difficult, it's very easy. And then click on new project, and then just paste your prompt here. And after this, just try to remove some space like this, and then before you want to click on enter, it's better to click here video. If it's an image, just put it in video and frame. And for YouTube it's 69, but for Instagram is 916, but our target is YouTube. And then put it here. For you can choose 4 seconds or 6 seconds. I choose 6 seconds. And then if you click on fast, it use 20 credit, but if you choose Omni Flash, it just use 10 credit. But I think the Omni Flash is better. And after this, just click on enter. It takes a little bit time, maybe just 3 or 4 hours to receive our video. So this is our video. I just click on this to show you.
Good morning. I am awake.
So after this, we again go to the go to the other prompt to just write another things here. I just try another one like I am ready or something like this. It's up to you. I just choose another prompt, for example, like this, and just for example click on this, copy, and again go to the Google Flow, just paste here like this, and again check the video, and then the frame the video and something like this, or maybe put 6 or 4, it's okay. And then and also you can remove the dialogue, the second one, it's okay, we can check it again, and then enter. So in this situation we have 2 videos, and also I have another videos I can show you. Let me just show you another video. I also prepared another video with 2 dialects, and you can see here it's like this.
Good morning. I am ready for the day. I am ready for the day.
We can also use this one. So after this situation, we can check another video that we prepared in Google Flow. Is like this.
I brush my teeth.
And this is another one. So after this, we need to go to Canva to edit our video for YouTube. The next step is to go to the Canva like this, and then go to click on plus or create, and then click on custom size. And so in this situation, because we want for the for YouTube, we just write here 1920 and then 1080 is like this. This is for YouTube, and then click on create new design. After this, we just upload our video here, and I'll go to the upload, to upload is here, and then upload our file from here, our video, and I'll upload it before. It's like this.
Good morning.
And then I just put it here. I try to just cover all the page and just move it like this that I move, but you need to show your character here. So in this situation, after this I'll go to the element and then go to the shape and then just choose this one, this shape, and after this I just put it here and I try to just cover the left of the video, then go to the corner rounding and just click on 0. And in this situation it's better to color of this, then go to the color and click here to change it a little bit to same to the video, I think like this, and then change it to be a little bit to same the video. You know, you need to just try to, it's better to be a little bit fit with your video, but I think it's not bad. And then go to the text. Just you can click add a heading or add the subtitling, but also if you go down and you can see another another font like this is free, you can use it. And for example, I just remove this one, and click here. For example, I just click here lesson 1 like this, lesson 1, and just click here to choose another font and decrease the size and then put it here. It's better to choose to change the font, and I choose, for example, Anton, and then I think it's not bad now. It's not bad, it's okay. Let's just ungroup this one, it's better. And then put it here. If you want to, okay, and the next, it's better to choose for another one. And for another, I just choose add a heading and then go to the ChatGPT and just this one, write good morning, I am awake, and just copy and paste here because we want to just talk about this. For example, I am ready like this. Let me just, and then just try to a little bit design. So I just put it here. It's like this. And if you want to be a little bit, a little bit professional, just click on the text, go to the animate and choose typewriter like this. And after that, if you want to be a little bit better, go to element and just write here kids. For example, if you want to have a YouTube for kids, is like this, and then choose, for example, and go to graphic, you can find something like this is free, and a little bit change it and just put it here. And if you imagine the color is not good, just go to the color to change the color to the black. And if you don't like the font, Comic Sans is good and it's very good for kids. And if you don't like the color of this also, you can change it. If you want to change another thing, you again go to elements and just choose another one. That's it. And also you can, for example, let me just choose another one like this. This is also free, and I put it here. It's kind of a lesson for kids. And after this, if it's finished, I think it's finished, and then go to the share and download. The default is on video, and download this. So this is the result of one of the video, and I just show you.
Good morning. I am ready for the day. I am ready for the day.
And let's go to make another video to show you another conversation. So for the next video, I just click on add page. This video that we make with each other, if you want to upload, you can upload from here. This one.
Good morning. I am awake.
And then again we can make it like that one. If you don't like the video, you can just change the prompt until you receive the good video, and just click here. It's like this. Again, go to element, again go to the go to the shape, and just choose this one and put it here like this, and click here, and again it's like this. And you can change the color that I show you. If you don't like, you just try to, for example, a little bit match with your video, and then go to the text. If you don't like this font, the normal font, you can go like this. I just choose this one, and then just write here, for example, lesson 1 again, and then I just put it here. It's like this. If you don't like the color, just click on the text and go to the effect, and then just change it from here. For example, I can choose this one. It's okay. And then go to write text. Just go to the normal text, add a subheading, and then go to the English lesson. It's I am awake. Just choose this one, copy, and then go here, paste, and then like this, and put it here. If you don't like the color, just change the color to the black, and just a little bit size is a little bit good now. If you don't like the font, just go to the font, and we just change it to, for example, this one. Or I think Comic Sans is good for kids if you want to have video for kids. And again, just put it here. Again, if you just click on the text, go to the animate, just choose typewriter, and then go to the element and just click here kids, and then you can choose this one or another one, and just click here to be bold. I think now is good, and that's it. I think it's okay. And again, click on the share, download. The default is video, and just one of them. I want the second one, and done, and download this one. This is the result of our video. And if you imagine the 6 seconds is not too much, you can choose another time, 10 seconds or maybe more, but just sure about your credit. If you choose another time, maybe it use more credit. I just play on this video.
Good morning. I am awake.